Hi guys, today I brought a new product on my desk to show you guys. It is Redmi 6A. It has 5.45 mm Full HD display and 12 nm quad-core processor, 3000 mAh battery and 30 megapixel rear camera. It is in blue color and it has 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory. Okay guys, now let's crack it. Wow, it comes with an infinity display and it is in blue color. There is a 30 megapixel camera and flash, and front side there is a sensor, earpiece and a 5 megapixel camera. On the bottom there is a microphone and micro USB. There is a 2 SIM trays and there is a volume rocker and a power button. And there is also a big loudspeaker. On the top there is a 3.5 mm audio jack and microphone. In the box you can get a user's guide and a warranty card, and also a charger. It is not a fast charger, it's an ordinary charger, and it has also a data cable for connecting charger to the phone. There is no headphones included. Now let's boot it.
Wonder why you do those things. You know you got me going insane. Fire and ice, going in ties, cause we want to. Why you go and play those games? Can we just cut to the chase? Fire and ice, we'll do it all night if you want to. Cause this will be the last time that you're ever gonna love me. This will be the last time, cause our love is like fire and ice. Fire and ice, fire and ice. Na 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 na. Fire and ice, fire and ice. Na 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 na. Cause our love is like fire.
Now let's check the quality of the camera. The clarity of the camera is very nice. I like the camera.
you got me going insane. Fire and ice, going in ties, cause we want to.